Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to get free virtual credit card VCC for free trials. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your browser and then type in freevcc.online. Okay, so just type in freevcc.online and then you should get to this site here, freevcc.online site here. So this is a site that we're going to use to generate the uh, credit card. So what you can do, so simply click on sign up. If you already have an account in this site, then you can just sign in. Otherwise, click on sign up. So when you click on sign up here, so now we are a first time users, I'm going to register it. So all you need is your name, username, email, and then password. That's it. So I'm just going to fill this in and then we're going to sign up for it. So I've typed in my details here. So click on sign up. So I just clicked on sign up and that's it. Account creation is done. It's pretty easy. So I've already created my account. So once you've created the account, just click on OK. All right, and then that's it. So now you have successfully created an account. So we have actually got our VCC, our virtual credit card now ready. So what you can do, simply click on awesome. So now here, as you can see on my right tab here, so this is my actual virtual card here. And then what you can do, so you can, that's the card number and details here. And then at the moment, there's no balance. You can add money to it if you want. And then here, and then you can see if you want to see the SVC number, you can click on these to see the SVC number. Or if you want to change this card, you can use this option to change, or you can freeze this card. And also you can block this card if you click on this number here. If you click on this option here, so you will block this card. So and if you want to, when you are using this card for in any platforms, if you're receiving an OTP, you can use this option here. So there is OTP option here on your left menu, so you can click on it to get the OTPs received for this card. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.